All right, we're here in southern Maryland, about to hit the pond up, do a little bass fishing action with Gallo Outdoors. So I got Big Mike here, special guest Patty Gallo sitting in the chair over there.
Say hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna enjoy some bass fishing, see if we can tag another 6-pounder or an 8-pounder today. Anything to say, Big Mike? What do you think about down here?
Well, this is beautiful. It sure looks like it's big bass territory. Now we're going to see Gallo Outdoors, the mentor with the young buck. I'm on his home court. We're going to see what happens here.
You gotta touch them for it to count.
You got to touch him for it to count. Big money involved here.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right.
Blue heron lead.
Big Mike's setting it up here. He's a little nervous, as you can tell. Trying to get the
Perfect.
the
bait.
goods.
I don't
He's
want you
hiding.
I don't want you to see what I'm using.
All right, Patty, what are we doing here?
I'm the official judge, the weigh-in station. See who catches the biggest fish. The old man or the young buck. I vote for the young buck.
Thank you, Mother. Stay tuned. Yep.
Catch one. Mike. I think you got one. I don't know. Hold it up here. See that little puppy. Number 3.
Big Mike, how's the fishing today? What's the score?
1-0. You hook one right in the eye.
Yeah. Right in the eyeball.
So far, you're almost on the other side of the lake.
A lot of ground covers today. Big Mike's on the board. Caught a minnow. Caught a minnow. We're here for day 2 of Gallo Outdoors. We got the Newton boys. We're gonna teach them how to fish, and then I'm gonna kick his ass again.
Yeah, beat me 7-5 yesterday. Today's a new day.
Robbie got the secret lure in his hand.
Absolutely. Secret lure. Ready.
They don't say much, but they can catch fish. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.